everyone and welcome to a very interesting session of Python coding. So, tell me guys, how are you? Is everything on track? Yes, I can hear you. So, which means you're all charged up for an exciting day of today's classes, am I right? Yes, in this class, you are going to study something which is really important and interesting, and you guys want to know what it is. I'll tell you. In this class, you are going to study a program which is called as coding your name using Python. Yes, you heard it right, Python, a language that supports various powerful libraries and frameworks in artificial intelligence. From that, one such activity we are going to explore in this class. Now it's your time. Tell me guys, will it be easy for you if we have a method in your hand that can convert the capital letters or the uppercase into lowercase? Yes, right? In the same way, it would be easier if we can split the word. Am I right? Yes. So first, let's see a demo video of the program that we are going to create in this class. So come, let's explore it now. Yes, just look onto my screen, see what happens once I run this program. You saw that, isn't it really interesting? Yes, so this is one of the programs that we will be exploring in this class. But in order to create such a project, you will have to be aware of the coding concepts behind it, am I right? Yes, so first let's see what are the activities that we will make in this class and what are the coding concepts that we will be exploring in this class. In this class, you will be studying a program on coding hello string and coding your name. And from that, you will study concepts like what are strings, what is string split method, what is head and tail method in Python, what is dot method, and along with that, you will study what is string upper method and string lower method. Yes. Now, tell me guys, have you heard these topics before anywhere? No? Is it entirely the first time you're hearing it? I got you, no problem at all. We will explore it together in this class. For that, the only thing that you will have to do is to follow my instruction, and for that, we will follow certain step-by-step process to arrive at our two programs. So, are you guys ready for that? See, I can hear you. So, which means now you're also set ready, and now it's time to open our PyCharm editor. So, if you please follow my instruction and open the PyCharm editor. Have you guys opened your PyCharm editor? Yes, so first we will study our program on coding hello strings. Ready? Yes, so first step, you will have to click on the Python project, select new and then select Python file and type here hello. Okay? Then select it off. Your file will be ready. Have you got it? Have you? Good. Before beginning this activity, let me teach you something about strings. Tell me, have you heard this word before? No, right? Yes, so first we have to be familiar with what a string is and then we will get into this program. So first I will teach you that. I hope my screen is visible to you, right? Yes, you can see a diagram over there. And what is written there? Strings. Yes, strings means it's a sequence of character like a names, an address, a numbers or a letters. Okay, a group of such characters or a sequence of such characters is what is called as strings. Okay, and these strings in Python can be represented in double quotes or single quotes, that is, they can be represented in their quotation marks. Okay, now I will show you that with an example. I hope you get what a string is. Simply, string means it's a sequence of characters that we use, okay, like names, words, etc. Okay, now I'll show you how it is being used. As you know that there is a function which can display the output on the screen, and that is called as the print function, right? I hope you know it. So now with the help of print function, I'm gonna type hello, okay? So this word hello is what a string is. A string means, as we learned, it's a sequence of characters, right? Yes, a group of such letters combine to form a string. Okay, now here if I print hello in single quotes, see what happens. I'm going to run this program. Okay, yes, it gives me the output as hello, right? Yes, now I had printed that in single quotes, right? Yes, now I'll show you that in double quotes. Okay, so I'm going to delete this now, and now I'm going to type it in double quotes. Okay, yes, and see what happens. You said that I got the same output. That is, here the strings can be represented either in single quotes or in double quotes. I hope you get it right. Yes, so now it's your time. Print any word in Python and see what happens. Try it both with single and double quotes. Have you got it? What have you printed? Yes, you typed your name and you got it. Yes, good. So now I'll teach you something else, that is how to assign a variable with a string. Okay, before that, tell me what a variable is. Okay, I'll show you. Variable means it's a named memory location which can store a value to it. Okay, so now I will teach you how to assign a variable to a string. Okay, so here I'm going to use str equal to name. Okay, or let it be hello. I'll type hello. Okay, and I'll show you how it works. Okay, so here the string is hello and it is being assigned to a variable which is str. Okay, so once I want to print it, what function should I give? Yes, I have to give the print function, right? Yes, so here I'll be giving print s. Tell me, print what? It's your time now. Shoot me with your ideas. Yes, now instead of hello, I'll be printing str, right? Why? Because hello is being already assigned to this variable str. So now it's enough to type here str, right? Yes, it's your time. Please do it now. Come on, guys, do it. Have you done it? Yes, so now it's time to check the output, right? Yes, so now I'm gonna run it, or I'm going to execute this program, okay? See, run hello and see, yes, I got the output hello, which means I got the string which I had given. It's your time. Check your output now. Execute the program and using the run button and see the output. Have you guys got it? Good. So which means now it's time to move to a higher level, right? Yes. So now I will teach you a new method. So come, let's see that now. So this is it, guys. String indexing and slicing. I hope my screen is visible to you, right? Yes. Do you know what is indexing? Yes, I'll tell you. In your name, you will be having certain letters, right? Yes, so each letter is having a specific position, or we call it as index. So in the example that we have learned, that is the example of the word hello. Okay, there you can see the word hello is having 5 letters in it, right? Yes, so here the first letter, which is H, will be having the index as 0, and E will be having index as 1. The first L will be having index as 2. The second L holds the index position 3, and O and will be holding the index position 4. So in such a manner, each word will be having an index position. Okay, so here indexing means it is used to obtain certain elements. Okay, that is certain individually. If you want to access some elements, we go for string indexing. Okay, and this indexing can be done not only in the forward in manner, but it can be done also in the reverse order. That is, instead of going like HELLO, you can go for OLLEH. Okay, in the reverse order, once we come, the last letter, which is O, will be having the index position -1, and the L near to it, which is the L from back, will be holding the index position -2. The next L holds the index position -3, and E letter holds the index position -4 and H will be holding the index position -5. Okay. So indexing means it is used to obtain individual elements from a string. Okay. I hope my point made sense to you, right? Yes. So now can we try it out with an example? Yes. So I'll tell you one more thing. This is entirely different from the length of the string. Okay. Here the length of the string is 5 because it holds 5 letters in it, right? Okay. So the length will be 5, whereas index positions begins with 0 to the end letter. Okay. Is it clear? Yes. Can we try it out with an example now? Yes. Come. So now I am going to check which is the letter being presented in each index position. Okay. So first I will try with the 0th position. Okay. So for that I have to give the comment like this. Okay. And inside this, in square bracket, I have to enter the position of which I had to give. Okay. So first I will check for the 0th position. Now it's your time. Tell me guys, which will be the letter that is being presented in the index position 0? Tell me. You're saying H, right? Can I check it by using the run button? Yes, I'll check it out. You said it right. I got the output as H, right? Here the first hello we got by using the first command, that is print str, and here you can see an H, right? Yes, that is giving you the letter in the position of 0. Okay. Now can I show you one more? Yes. Okay. I will try it out with the index position. Tell me. Yes, let's try with the second position. Okay. Yes, and let me run it and see. So that we got the correct position, right? Yes, in the second index position, which begins from 0 marking, we'll be having L as the second index, right? Yes, so we got the correct answer. Now it's your time. Tell me which is the output you will get once you give the index position 4. Just try it out and see me. Have you tried it? Yes, now I'll check it out. Let me copy paste it and then I'll change the position to 4. Okay. Yes, so once I run it, yes, I got O. What about you? Is it the same you got? Then we are on the right track. We got the output, right? Yes, so now it's time to learn our next method, okay, which is called as slicing. So now I'll teach you what is slicing, okay? See, indexing means it was used to obtain an individual elements, right? Yes, whereas slicing will be used to obtain a group of or a particular sequence of elements, okay? Like as a group, okay? That is what is slicing. Slicing means it is used to obtain a sequence of elements instead of individual elements, okay? I'll show you out with an example now. Now see what's the comment that I'm going to give with the same word hello. Okay. So here again inside string we will have to give as S2 3. Okay. Now do you guys have any idea what will be the output? Yes, it's your time. Shoot me with your ideas now. Tell me what will be the output. Okay, I'll tell you. See, once we are giving, okay, like is to 3 in brackets, you will be getting a sequence of elements before the third index. Okay, so here the word is hello, right? Which is holding H as the 0th position, E as the first position, L as the second position, right? And next L will be coming as a third position, right? Yes, so but here I am asking you to slice it till the third position, okay, till the third index. So what will be the output? Yes, of course, the first 3 letters, which is HEL. Do you guys want to check it out? Yes, I'll show you. See that. You slice the word hello at the position 3 means, at the index position 3 means, it will return you the value before 3. Okay, that is from the index position 0 to 2 will be returned to you as the output. And that is what we got now. Have you seen that? Yes. So, do you guys want another example to be tried? Yes. Let's slice it in another position at 4. Okay, can we do that? Yes, it's your time. Please do it with me now. 4. Tell me, what will be the output of this? Wow, you said it right. You're saying you'll be getting as HELL as the output, right? Yes, so let me run it and see. Wow, your answer is correct. You said that. Yes, so now it's time to slice the string in a different manner, and I'll show you how I'm gonna do it, okay? I'm gonna slice it like this. Print str, and in brackets I'm gonna give as 3 is to 4. Okay, now you guys have any idea what will be the output of such a comment? Any idea? I'll show you. See, here I'm asking to slice that string from the third position till the fourth position. Okay, so what will be the output? Yes, of course, the third index. So because slicing had to be started from the third index and it have to be stopped before the fourth position, it will return you the output as, tell me, as L, right? Yes, I'll show you that now. See the output? So that it returns as L, okay, along with the previous outputs in that program. You saw that? Yes. So now it's your time. Let's try it in a different way now. So now it's your time. Just try it out. Yes. So I'll give you an example to be tried now, okay? So try this. Yes, try this. Here, I'll tell you the slicing will be starting from the first index, okay? But it should not take the second and the third index. That is what this comment says, right? Yes. So tell me, what will be the output of such a comment? Yes, you said it right. Of course, you will be getting the output as E, right? Which is being presented in the first index, right? Yes, so let me check it out now. See, you got it right. Yes. So now I'll give another way, okay? And just check it out and see what is happening. So now I'm gonna give you an example like this, okay? String, and here I'm gonna give as, yes. So see what it got. Yes, it returns the full string as it is, right? Yes, so you got the output as hello. So using such comments will return the entire string as it is. That is the use of such a type of denotation. I hope my point made sense to you, right? Yes. Now, do you remember earlier I had told you about reversing a string, right? Which means the string in its reverse order of index position. So let me try with, like in the same chord, if I am giving it as -3, what happens? Okay? Yes, tell me what will be the output when I reverse a string and I gave -3 as the index position? Which letter will be returned as the output? You said it right. You will be getting L as the output, right? Yes, so let me check it out now. So that we got the output as L, okay? So now, can we find the length of the string? What is length according to you? Yes, the number of characters or letters in that word, right? Yes, so I'll use a command and find out now. So print length str, okay? So here the length will be 5, right? So let's check it out. Yes, I got the length of that string which is having the word hello as 5. What about you? Have you got it? Just try it out now. Great, you have also got it. Now let me tell you, there is an other thing called index error in Python which will return as the output as index error once we gave the code like print. Okay, I'll try it out an example and I'll show you, okay? Str. So here, if I want to find the letter which is in a position as not in the word, okay? So here, you know that only the position as marked till 4 in the word hello, right? Yes, so once I gave a higher index, see what happens as the output? Yes, it because it's returned the output as index error, okay? So index error means if we give a value or the code is trying to access a value that is invalid, it will return as index error. Okay, I hope it's clear to you, right? Yes. So now can we learn about split method in Python? Yes, I'll teach you that. See, this split method means it will break the string at a specific separator and then it will return the group of strings. I'll show you that as a slide now. Can you see that there is a split at hello world? So what will be the output? Yes, it will be splitted as hello and world as separate sequence, right? Yes, so this is how it's being worked out. Okay, so where there's a separator, it will split accordingly. Okay, so now if I want to split the word at E, okay, so I'll show you how I'm doing it. String again, and then I'm going to give comment as spring dot split, and here I'm going to give the letter E. Okay, now it's going to split at E, right? Yes, so make sure that you gave chords. Okay, because Python returns an error if you haven't given the chords to the characters. Okay, yes, so now let's see what is happening if I'm making a split at E. You saw that they return two separate sequence in chords. Okay, so here as we gave the word hello and I had asked in a comment format to split the word hello at E. Okay, so what happens? It's split it as H comma LLO as two separate sequence. Okay, now it's your turn, just try it out. Yes, so now if I'm trying it like this, okay, that is without any specific split, what would be happening? Just try it out and see. So that we will get the output, that is the word itself in single quote with brackets as the output. Okay, just try it out now. Yes, a split method with no letter mentioned will be providing the output with brackets and single quote with the same word which we give as string itself. Okay, I hope it's clear to you, right? Yes. And apart from that, there is a head and tail method in Python. Head method means it will return the first 5 rows if the number is not specified, and tail method means it will return the last 5 rows if the number is not mentioned. Okay, I hope it's clear to you, right? Yes. So now we are going to study upper method and lower method, that is string upper method and string lower method in Python. So come, let's see that now. See, string upper method means it will return the same string in uppercase. Okay, here the numbers and the symbols will be ignored. Okay, and string lowercase means it will return the string in its lowercase. Okay, that is in small letters in alphabets with the symbols and numbers being ignored. Okay, I'll show you that with an example now with the same string hello. So here print str, and in brackets I'm going to give str dot. If I want to do it in uppercase, I have to give here as upper. Okay, and here I'm gonna close it with the brackets. Okay, now what will be the output? Yes, already I had given the word string hello in uppercase itself, right? Yes, so once I run it again, I'll be getting the same thing. See what happens. Yes, I got the same output hello, but the chords are being removed here, right? Have you noticed it? Yes, so now let me try it in lower. Okay, so instead of upper, I'm going to try it with lower. Okay, so it will convert the case which is now already been in uppercase to the lower case. Okay, so I'll show that now. So that all the letters in the word hello is being now converted to the smaller case. Have you seen that? Or the lower case. Have you seen that? Yes. It's your time. Just try it out with this example now. Both upper and the lower case have to be tried by you. Just try it out now. And apart from this, there is a dot method in Python. Dot method in Python means it will tell the Python to look inside the space before the dot for the code to execute. Okay, there is such a method like dot method also in Python. So now can we try it with our name? Yes, so now let's get into our second activity or program, which is coding your name, and I'm gonna choose the name here as Ashina. Okay. Yes. So this is the name that I'm going to choose, and here you can see the spelling Ashina, right? Yes, the first A holds the index position 0, second A holds the index position 1, S holds the index position 2, H holds the index position 3, I holding the index position 4, and here N holding the index position 5, and E, the last A, this is holding the index position C. And once in the reverse order, it begins from -1 to -7. I hope it's clear to you, right? Yes, so this is the index of the string called Ashina. So now we are going to code with this name and see the output in each cases. Okay, so here open your PyCharm editor with the file name as name itself. Okay, and here I'm gonna code using the name Ashina. Okay, so here I'm going to give as name equal to, let it be, here I'm going to choose the name as Ashina. Okay, so this is the spelling of Ashina, and I'm going to code with this name now. Okay, it's your time, please do it. So first I'm going to find the letter in each index position. Okay, so here if I want to find the position or the letter in the corresponding position, that is, if I'm giving an index position and then I have to find the letter corresponding to that position, which is the comment that I have to give? Yes, you said it right. I have to give the comment as print str, then I have to give it as print name, because the string Ashina is being assigned to the variable called name, right? So here what I have to give is, I have to give as print name, and if I want to find the position, I have to give as 1. Okay, so now I'm going to check which letter is being presented in the index position 1. Okay, so I'm going to try it out now. So that once I run it, I got the output as A. Okay, so if I want to find the index position using the index 2, then I'm going to copy the code this time. Okay, here I'm going to change it as 2. See, I got as S. Is that the right answer? Yes, of course, S is the one which is being presented in the second index position, right? Yes, so now it's your time. Just try it in the third and the fourth position. Okay, I will copy paste. Okay, I want the output at the third and the fourth position. Yes, try it out and tell me what you got as the output. Have you done it? Yes, so now I'll run it and see. H and I, is it the same that you got? Yes, so which means you are on the right track and your answer is correct. Now, can we try it out by reversing the string? Okay, so here I'm going to reverse the string and give as -1. Okay, so tell me what will be the answer in your mind? You're saying A, right? Because in the reverse order, the last A holds the -1 position, right? Okay, so let me check it out now. Wow, the answer in your mind is exactly the correct answer. Okay, good. So now can we try it out with -3? Yes, let's. Wow, you got the answer as I. Is I in the last position from -3? Yes, you said it right. So now let me try a different way. Okay, I'm going to check it in the index position 9. Okay, let me see what is the output. You saw that I got the answer as index error. Why? Because there is no such a letter in the index position 9, right? Yes, so you understand the concept of it? I hope yes. So now can we find the length of such a string? So for that again I have to give as in small letter length. In bracket what should we give? Yes, name, right? Yes. So now can we try it out? Yes. Tell me what will be the length of such a string? You're saying 7, right? Let me check it out. Wow, your answer is exactly correct. So it's your time. Just try it out now. Just find the length of that string. Have you tried it? And you got it? Good. So now, can we slice that string? Yes. Before that, tell me, what was the concept of slicing a string? Yes, slicing means if we want to get a particular sequence of elements other than getting individual elements, we go for slicing, right? Yes, so here I am going to make a slice at the position 3, okay? So what is the command I have to give? Name is to 3, right? Yes, so once I run it, see what happens. Yes, it returns a sequence of elements before the third index position, right? Yes, so before the third index number, it returns all the sequence of characters which are before it, right? Yes, so you will get the answer as AAS. Have you got it? Yes, so now let's try it in a different way. Let's try it in 3:4 instead of simple 3, okay? So I'm going to try it in 3:4, okay? Now once I run it, see what happens. Yes, I got the answer as H, which means in the name Ashna, the third index position is being held by the letter H, right? So 3:4 means it will start slicing from the third and then it will stop at the fourth, okay? So it will return the third index, and here the third index was H, which is being returned now. Have you got it? Good. So now what will you get when I'm giving it like this? 1:2, 2:2, 3, okay? Tell me your idea. What will you get once you do it like this? Yes, you're saying it will return the first index, right? Yes, and what is being presented in the first index? A. Okay, let me check it out. Great, you get it. So it's your time, just try it out now. Now, can we try a different case of this? Yes, let's do that now. Actually, we had done this in the previous example also. So here, I'm going to try as print name, okay, is to 1, okay. So now let's see what is the output for such a comment, okay. So let's run it and see. Yes, so that it returns the same string as such without any chords, okay. So I hope this is clear for you. So now can we try for the upper and the lower case of this? Yes, we had done the same also in the previous example, right? Yes. So what was the comment? Yes, we were using name dot upper, right? Yes. So now let's see what we are getting. Yes, we get the same name as Shina in uppercase itself. You know why? Yes, because in the string that we had assigned, we gave all of such in capital letters. So it returns the same in uppercase. I will help you to note the change by giving it in lowercase, okay? Yes, so once I'm giving lower, see what is going to happen. So that the name Ashna is now being returned in lowercase. It's your turn. Just try it out now. Have you done it? Good. So now can we try our split method? Okay, then let's do that, okay? Yes, tell me, what was it? Yes, it is used to break the character at a separator and then separate them into a specific sequence of strings, right? Yes, so here I'm gonna make that change, okay? So here I'm gonna split the string now and see what's going to happen. And I'm gonna give it as name dot split, okay? So now see what's going to happen. Let it be a split at S, okay? And it have to be denoted in single quotes. Make sure that you gave S in single quotes, okay? Because characters have to be given in single quotes. So here, see what happens? See the output. It returns it as two separate sequence of characters, with the first sequence being AA and the second sequence being HINA in single quotes. Have you seen that? Yes, it's your time. Just try it with the split at S now. Have you got it? Good. So here I had specified a character like S. What if I'm not specifying any characters? What if I'm giving the comment like this? Tell me, shoot me with your ideas. How will be the output of such a comment? Yes, you're saying it will return the same string in quotes, right? Yes, let me check it out. Yes, correct. It returned the same string in quotes and bracket. So it's your time. Just try this now. Have you got it? Great. So now we are almost set ready with the code, right? Yes, so which means now it's time to wind up. Therefore, we have to recap what are the lessons that we have learned in this class. So in this class, we learned what is a string first, right? Yes, string means same as like this. See, this is what a string is. A string means it's a sequence of characters which are being assigned to a variable, right? Strings can be denoted like this in double quotes or in single quotes, okay? Yes, and they have to be denoted as quotation marks. So there is another method, string indexing and slicing, right? So indexing means it is used to obtain individual elements, and slicing means it's used to obtain a group of elements, right? Yes, so if I wanted to obtain a single element at the position of the index number 0, then the comment that I have to give is like this, okay? Name, and in brackets I have to give 4. Okay, so this will return the letter which is at the position of 4. Okay, so let's see that. So that the letter I, okay, whereas if I wanted to get a sequence of elements from the string, then the comment that I should give will be like is to 3. Okay, this means it is used to obtain a sequence of elements. So see what happens. Yes, you got it like this, right? Yes, then there is another thing called head and tail. Head method means it will return the first 5 rows if the number is not specified, and tail method means it will return the last 5 rows if the number is not specified. Then we learned about split method, right? Yes. Split method was used to break the string at a separator and then get the list of string as output, right? Yes, and this format was like this. Name dot split, and if I have to make the split at the position of H, then what I have to do is I have to run it by using this command. Okay, you see that? It will return the output by making the split at the separator which was H, and then return the list of strings which is AAS and INA in single quotes. Have you seen that? Yes. So then learned what is upper and lower method. String upper method was used to get a list of characters in its uppercase, and string lower method was used to get a list of strings in its lowercase. Okay, and the code was this for upper. Okay, yes, and once I gave the upper as it is already in uppercase, it will return the same thing now without chords. And once I gave lower, it will return that in the lowercase. So see what happens when I run it? Yes, I hope it's clear for you, right? Isn't it? So these are the concepts that we have learned in this class. I hope all of you enjoyed the session. Thank you all for your participation. Have a nice day. Bye. Take care.